Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. Friend, this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyle. With beautiful haircut, eye-catching hair dye, and many much more stylish ideas of low maintenance hairstyle for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about so beautiful ideas of hairstyling. In low maintenance. Beautiful ideas of spiky hairstyle. Some ideas fine hairstyle. Trendy collection of messy hairstyle. And many much more stylish ideas of fine hairstyle, messy hairstyle, and spiky hairstyle in low maintenance. Some ideas with undercut. And different ideas of haircut, pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut, some ideas layered, deep layered, some ideas step, and very beautiful ideas of undercut and shaved art. Some ideas in lines, some ideas circle and square, and beautiful collection of zigzag designs, some ideas twist designs, electric designs, and very beautiful collection of hair-dye, blonde color, burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas funky colors, very beautiful collection of funky colors, some ideas purple color, beautiful ideas of shocking pink color, red color, blue color, and very attractive and eye-catching ideas of highlights in funky colors. Some ideas highlights in blonde color, some ideas in grey color, with dark roots, and so stylish overall ideas of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't go without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. Like Facebook, Twitter, Insta and many apps of social media. I hope you must share it. So friends, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.